Hey.
Roll behind you.
Or you could just try to do this. Okay.
No, I like to roll.
How do you roll, Barb?
Okay, I roll a lot.
Okay, so
Okay,
let's see.
what
We got a
show you?
vacuum.
We do have a vacuum. We also have these little guys right here.
I know, my little. Oh,
I love them.
You only love them because they have.
Okay,
the whatchamacallits.
you're a ways away from me. I'm gonna disrobe.
No, Barb.
All right, I want to show you something that we have, and this is going to be our demo, but it is also going to be our sale.
Okay.
This is so cool. The box isn't really that fancy or that beautiful. So,
Oh, cool.
can anybody guess what this is? This is one of the coolest things. I have one of these. I use it. I love it. So right over here, you can see. Actually, this machine just came out of the box. I just did a class with it this morning.
Really?
So I haven't used it very much.
So you did an owner class?
I did on the Brilliant.
Nice.
All right, right down in here. Oh, it's got some dirt. I've got some dirt in there, and I can easily have dirt back in there. So one thing you can do is brush it out with a brush. But what if there is so much and you can see it back inside there? What do you
blow
do?
it with the canned air?
Nope, never blow it with canned air.
Nope.
Why?
Because it has moisture.
It has moisture, but then
it goes shoves it all back.
Shoves it all back inside.
Doesn't get it out.
The first time my first machine, I thought, oh, canned air, this is great, and I just blew it all out, and I took it in because it wasn't working very well. I took it in, and the tech, he says, "What did you do to this machine?" He said there was so much dirt and dust and crap impacted deep inside the machine.
Holding things together.
Oh, he really made fun of me. So I didn't do that anymore. All right, but let me show
It
you
wasn't
what we
here,
have
was it?
No, it wasn't here. It wasn't.
They would not make fun of you. Hey.
But look what I have here.
That's
look
cool.
at this. This is really cool. This is a vacuum for your machine. And what it does is it comes with attachments. So all you have to do is take this attachment. This comes in that little package. This is what hooks onto your machine, your vacuum cleaner.
A regular vacuum?
Just a regular vacuum cleaner. As long as you have the ability to hook a hose.
Oh.
So I'm going to put this, I've got to go to the right spot, inside my hose. Like this.
That's awesome.
And then you can suck the daylights out of this machine.
Do you know what that reminds me of?
What's that?
Remember when you could see them doing liposuction?
No, I didn't know. Who does that?
I saw that. I'm like, no, don't show me that.
Maybe that's what this is. All right, so I'm going to turn this on. And it's going to be a little noisy, but I'm going to do it anyway.
Okay.
This is what you do.
Can you see down in there, Barb?
I can.
With this?
All right, let me show you that there are different. I'm going to pull this out.
That's a good idea.
Oh, thank you. All right, there are different attachments. This one has a brush on it. So it doesn't have to be just for your sewing machine. You can clean out your computer with it.
Oh, I might need one now.
And you can also clean out those dirty vents that you have.
Good idea.
Return air vents.
Good
It's
idea.
got a little pipe if you need to go in a corner. And this right here, so no matter what vacuum you have, you're going to find the right pipe to fit it.
Nice.
All right, so I'm going to make some noise here. And you're going to see me down there, and I'm going to suck my machine. You ready?
Ready.
Let me find the on button. It's going to be noisy. Sorry.
Okay. Ready. Show me how good.
Give me a little smaller.
Oh, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to show them what a good suction it had.
It does have a good suction, so I apologize for that noise, but I wanted you to see it in action. All right?
Oh, sorry.
So I'm going to put this away. All right. So we have these on the deal of the day already.
Really?
Yes,
they're already up?
Kris said she already put it up. And all of these pieces come apart. They're really on there good, so that's good.
Because I would not bother to take that hose off once I got it on.
My at home, I don't. I just leave it connected.
Yeah.
And I put all the other things
There you
back in
go.
their little container.
Oh, look at you.
Yes, so I don't
That's
lose them.
awesome.
But I just leave my hose hooked up.
I would too.
Anyway, it's pretty darn cool.
I think I
So
need one.
that
Do we
is our
have very
demo.
many of them?
I haven't checked. She just brought them in just for us. You know that, don't you?
I need that. I know. I brought a small vacuum, but I think I like this better. Yeah.
Well, the nice thing
Great
about
to use
this.
when you are working with Minky. Oh. Oh, maybe I'll
we
make
hate
something
Minky.
with the Minky.
We love
or
Minky,
fur.
but, oh, I
Or
hate
fur.
to.
Oh. Oh.
I got
What's
it
the
off.
cost? Do we
I got
know?
it off. I haven't looked.
I haven't
We
either.
need to look.
Maybe Kris is watching. Need that right now. Been sewing on Minky. Oh yeah.
And it can do it. And Minky is, and you know, you think about all the Minky that you have.
$16.99.
That's all it is.
No, really?
When you think about all the Minky, when you have all that stuff flying
Clothes
around.
dryer. Oh yeah, and your clothes
Yeah,
dryer.
clothes dryer. Very
Good
good.
idea.
Your car. Your car.
In between.
Yes, to get in between all those things that you just don't.
Save me one, Barb.
Here, you can have this one because
Okay.
I can't quite get it back in the package.
That's awesome.
All right, ladies
Yeah,
and
somebody
gentlemen.
else saying it's $16.99. That's
Well, this
that's
is the
worth
deal.
it.
I
use
paid more
mine
than that for mine.
after I sew flannel. Oh, and fleece.
You know,
Yeah.
flannel gets right inside your sewing machine so much.
For the tip with Minky also, maybe with velveteen. Oh yeah.
Oh.
I seen the little pieces of velveteen. Thanks for the tip. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a good idea.
I
Thank
got
you.
it all put back in there
Thank
for
you. I'll put a bow on it for me.